Welcome to my 100 ReactJS project. So before we get started, make sure you have created your own project folder. I've created my project folder called 100 ReactJS project. So inside that folder, create another folder and call it digital clock. So open that folder and type here cmd and type code space and dot to open that folder in VS Code. So inside VS Code, open your terminal and here we are going to install React using Vite. So npm create Vite latest space and dot so that we'll install all dependencies inside here, inside this folder of digital clock without creating another folder. Here we choose React, here we choose JavaScript and no, and here select yes. So here we are going to delete while we not use it. So we are going to first delete this app.css, delete, and another thing, we're going to delete this logo. So delete it, and inside HTML, delete this link. And inside asset, delete this logo. And for app.jsx, move this and write RFCE for functional component. So, and we are going to install Tailwind. So, open your browser, go to tailwind.com docs and select this npm start Tailwind. So, open your terminal. You can open our second terminal. Can wait for a few seconds and paste it here. So my PC is lagging, so I apologize. Can also come here and copy this second line here and go to Tailwind Vite and paste it here and come back and copy this Tailwind and paste it here. Sorry. Yeah. So like that. I put some comma. So another thing you are going to copy this point Tailwind. So inside index.css, just delete this and replace that with import like that. So you can still waiting. So now you can check if our Tailwind has been installed successfully. So delete this and can delete this terminal. Errors, there is an error. let's say npm learn div. And control and click on localhost. Now you can check if Tailwind has been successful installed. So you can say text 6L. So back to your browser, see the text font size has changed. That means that Tailwind is working. So inside here, can remove this. We're going to start by delete this also. So I'm going to start by const say time, because here we are going to use the state and use state. And so here, this is our state variable name. It's called the time, and this is the function that will update this time, and we set that as empty string. So we use effect for rendering our time, so that will be easy to make our clock update every second. So inside our use effect, we create a function called update clock, and inside that function create const now is equal to new date object. So and you say late hours is equal to string, and inside that string you say now dot get hours and pad start 2, and here I put 0. So here we take hours and we convert it to string, and we use this pad start. So that means instead of get 9, we will get 0 and 9. So that means this 0 will come in front of that number, and you can do that for minutes. So string now dot get minute and pad start, and let seconds is equal to string now dot get seconds, then pad start, like that. And inside this function, we also set time and say hours, minutes, and seconds. And we need to call that function here, and it say const interval. We need to create a variable of interval, and say set interval, and inside the interval we put our function name and 1000 millisecond, and we use return. So clear interval. So we use cleanup function so that we clear interval to prevent multiple timers running in the background. So, and here I put empty LA. That means to run once the app start. So, and here we will put time. So when you back to your browser, you see our time here, and we need to start that with Tailwind CSS. So to do that, inside the div class name, I'm going to start with display flex. We align items center, and we justify content center, justify center, and for height is 100 VH. That means height is full screen. So, and can say, can put here text in 6XL to increase our font, and you can say again text green 600, and you can also change this background. So BG black, and you can change the font of this. So font monospace. So font mono, like that. And this is our file. This is how to make digital clock in React. That's simple. So that's it for this video of how to make digital clock in React. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe so don't miss any content like that.